Did a little bit more cleaning, and I just put on a little bit of these gasket makers just to hold this on, hold it in place while I put it in. And I also picked up a little bit of the blue thread lock, just a dab on the screws is what I was told. And it is pretty clean. I tried to clean down below a little bit better, and kind of cool, I found this. This was tucked in there. Someone had lost it. It turns out I am missing this one like this, but this is not mine, but it is now. So that was stashed that down in there, that corner. Okay, let's we got the bolts right here. Let's start putting them in. Put just a dab of the blue on, and let's get them in there. I'll wipe that down quick, and then we'll start putting the water pump back on.